my name is Spyro. As you see, Joe, today we're playing Pokemon Ruby version. Alright, so actually it's not my very first Gen 3 game I played. It's actually Emerald, yes. So I also played Pokemon Ruby before, but I didn't finish, yeah. So this time, I'm not going to make a whole walkthrough. My goal in this game is just for fun, yeah. I'm just going to play just for like a memory, yeah. Because I remembered I played Pokemon Ruby before, but it's not that quite like a whole story, just like a slight, yeah, something like that. And I just forgot. I remember I have a Swampert before and a Ralts, and then Lotad. I'm not sure. Well, my team is like quite weak on that team, yeah. So let me just choose boy or girl. Of course, in Pokemon Sapphire we choose girl, and this time we're going to choose boy, yeah. So we're going to name ourselves Spyro here. Alright. Alright. I think, yeah, with the small letters. P-I-R-O. Yep, there we go. Let's go name ourselves Spyro. Okay, let's go. So, there's Spyro who's moving to my hometown to Little Road. I get it now. Alright. Alright, are you ready? Your very own adventure is about to unfold. Take courage and leap into the world of Pokemon where dreams, adventures, and friendship awaits. Well, I'll be expecting you later. Come see me in my Pokemon lab, alright? I'm going to see you. Right. This brings me back to the old, yeah. I mean, I never playing Pokemon GBAs now. I mean, yeah. Even Pokemon Leaf Green or Fire Red, yeah. Actually, I have a Fire Red here in my save file. I mean, in my phone today, but I haven't played. It's just like a decoration. Like, I have a Pokemon Fire Red, but I never play it. Yeah. I wish I could transfer my old save file from my old phone to this phone here, yeah. But I just didn't know. I just hope I can fix that my old phone so that I can transfer my save files here to this phone, yeah. Okay, so let's set our time here. So my goal in this is I'm not going to use some cheat Pokemons or any. I think it's okay transfer Pokemon, but it belongs to Gen 3 games, yeah. So let's go change our time. I think our time will be okay. And let me just move it here. It's AM here. So let me just change it to PM. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me just change it into 5. There, I think that will be much better. Okay. I think that will be better. No. Okay. Yes. Alright, Spyro, how do you like your new room? It feels like nostalgic, and I'm about to sneeze. Good, everything put away neatly. They finished moving everything in downstairs too. That's why it's dusty. I mean, I'm really going to sneeze. Pokemon moves are now convenient. Oh, you should make sure that everything's all there on your desk. Alright. Is this an N4 level? Because I'm going to study N4. Yeah, seriously, I'm going to study N4. Just to pass my second year in LCIC. Yeah, I mean, if I don't take N4, I can still proceed to third year, but I cannot take the majors. Yeah, major subjects, which is Japanese. Yeah. So here comes the news. Yeah, television, blah 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 blah. We brought you this report in front of Petalburg Gym. Oh, it's over. I think Dad was on, but we miss him, too bad. Oh yes, one of Dad's friends lives in town. Professor Birch is his name. He lives right next door, so you should go over and introduce yourself, okay? 私の名前はスパイロさんです。23歳です。趣味はポケモンを、ゲームする。I don't know, I forget. And I don't know if I speak it correctly. Yeah. ポケモンゲームをゲームする。I don't know. I think let me just say this. 趣味はアニメを見てるです。I think that will be good. But I forget how to say, I love playing Pokemon games. Let me just try, Pokemon 好きです. I don't know. Whatever, I early forget it. I didn't attend some Japanese class for these weeks. It's just because like I have something to settle. Yeah. And if I come back to Japanese class, I think I can remember how I can say it again. Yeah. 私のポケモンゲームを好きです。I love playing Pokemon games. I think that will be much better. 私のポケモンゲームを好きです。I think that's much better. I'm not sure if that's still correct. Anyways, we're going to Big Sellers here now. Yeah. What should I do? What should we do? Somebody has to go to help. Alright. Help me. Oh, there you go. Professor Birch. Chased by Pochiana. Hello, you over there. Please help. My bag, there's a Pokeball. Alright? I'm going to bake some starters now. Alright? We got Torchic, of course, my starter from Emerald. And we got Trico, my starter in Pokemon Sapphire. But this time, I'm going to pick Mudkip, which is my favorite Pokemon when I was like a kid and also when I was a teenager. But I just replace it. I mean, I just like get turned over when I know my brother picks his first Gen 3 Pokemon was Mudkip. So I was like, oh my god, what the heck? So Mudkip was supposed to be one of my favorite Pokemon, but I just get looked down. I mean, I still love Mudkip, Swampert, Marshtub, yeah. But I just get like looked down at. I was like, it's like I'm not gonna. I want to put it part in my team, but like I just like change my mind because like when I know my brother just picked Mudkip on his first Pokemon. That's why I just picked Torchic in Pokemon Emerald, yeah, instead of Mudkip. And also in Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, yeah, my brother changed into Trico and I just choose Mudkip. So I think this will be good. So let me just pick Mudkip for this time. Alright, let's go. And that nature is adamant. And I'm not sure what's the nature of this Mudkip. Let's just check after we beat this Pochiana. Alright, let's go use Tackle. Alright. There. We beat that Pochiana. Can I just like higher the volume? Birch, whew. I was in the tall grass studying wild Pokemon when I was jumped. You saved me, thanks a lot. Oh, hi, you're Spyro. This is not the place to chat, so come by my Pokemon lab later, okay? I don't want to go to the lab. I don't want to listen Japanese anymore. I mean, I love Japanese, but not in a lesson. I've heard so much about you from your father. I've heard that you wouldn't have your own Pokemon yet. But the way you battled earlier, you put it off with a palm? I guess you have your father's blood in your veins after all. Oh yes, as thanks for rescuing me, I'd like to have the Pokemon you used earlier. Spyro receive a Mudkip. Should I give a nickname? I think Mudkip is good. Alright, let's go check the nature of it. And the stats. My kid May is out of Route 103 studying Pokemon. It might not be a bad idea for you to go see May. What do you think? Yes, go. Great, May should be happy too. Get May to teach Pokemon what it means to be a trainer. Alright, let's go check our Pokemon nature in here. Wait. We get hasty? What? I don't like this Mudkip actually. Why is... I preferred like the old Mudkip before. I hate this. Why should I bring a hasty Mudkip? This is the worst. I think it will be fine. No, it's not fine. Why the game keeps making fun of me? The heck? It's okay, it's fine. I think I'm going to throw this Pokemon away. Or maybe I need to get Chico again? I don't know. I'll try to find some Mudkip. Wait, I found this trainer. I'm going to try to look a Mudkip for my Pokemon Emerald. I think I have a Mudkip in there. Just maybe. And I'm going to throw this Mudkip away. Okay. I just feel like I was like Paul, like doesn't like the Pokemon stats and throw it away. I'm going to say this to Mudkip. Hey you Mudkip, go chew. Something like that, like Paul did to his Pokemon. Anyways, let's go find May here. Yeah. Hey you May, you got a Trico in there? Let's go battle. Blah 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 blah. I give you the taste of what being a Pokemon trainer is like. Alright, do your best Mudkip, or else I'll kill you. Okay, go oh, it's Trico. Alright, go Mudkip. Go, kill with a tackle attack. There you go, that's good. Why the heck it's... I really don't like... And a critical hit! Where's Mudkip? And I got wiped out. Alright, I'll sneeze now already. I already sneezed. Hold on. Okay, I'm about to sneeze now. Again. Let's do this fast forward. Right. I'm going to switch this Mudkip. I swear. I'm going to switch this Mudkip. Go. Why do I get a worse Mudkip? What? You've got to be kidding me. Oh, there you go. You get a critical hit, you Mudkip. There you go, much better. But I still don't like this Mudkip. And we learn Mud Slap. How about if I get a No, we cannot get a Charizard. Why did I get a hasty Mudkip? I'm going to switch this Mudkip. This feels me like, how about if I'm going to challenge it? I mean like, just keep it anyways. was a challenge. Alright. But why do I get this hasty Mudkip? Alright, I'm gonna keep this anyway. But I feel don't like it. Why it's hasty? Oh, it's in the lab? Yeah, it's in the lab. So our goal in this video is getting a starter, and then we're gonna get our first Pokemon. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I think my parents are all arrived already. Okay, let me just catch some Pokemon outside. Oh wow, Sparrow, you got a Pokedex too? That's great, just like me. I got something for you too. And I got a Pokeball. Oh, nice. Blah, blah, blah. If I find any cute Pokemon, I'll catch them with Pokeballs. Right. I wonder where should I go look for a Pokemon next. I'm gonna get some Pokemon. Why do I get a hasty? Wait, there's a mom there. Sparrow, did you introduce yourself to Professor Birch? Yes, but my grammar is not correctly. 私の名前はスパロさんです。23歳です。ポケモンゲームを、趣味はポケモンゲームを好きです。I don't know what's the Japanese are playing. I think it's like game をする。趣味はポケモンゲームをする。I think that's much better. 趣味はポケモンゲームをno. 趣味はポケモン How about just saying this? 趣味はゲームをする。ゲームする。趣味はゲームする。Alright. Game する。Yeah, 趣味はゲームする。I think that's much better. And we got the Wormhole here. Why is the worst? Okay, I think we got the worst. Should I keep this Mudkip? He's the Mudkip. Not like it. Why it's hasty? One last thing. Okay, it's still a Wormhole. Could you find just something better? There's no Zigzagoon or any Pochiana or what? I need Pochiana or Zigzagoon. I don't like Wormhole. Oh, there you go. We found a Zigzagoon, but not the Zigzagoon I want. Sorry, I don't like females. Sorry. And there you go. We found male. Alright, go. Tackle. Okay, go Pokeball. Okay, I think I'm going to challenge with this hasty Mudkip. Yeah, we got it. Gotcha. What shall I name you? I think I'm gonna name you Gamu. Gamu. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. Gamu. Fuck you! Why is all hasty natures? Alright. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So stay tuned. Oh, and there's another Ziggs again. I'm gonna try to catch this. Ah, why it's so hasty? Okay, there we go. Let me try to catch this. Hopefully don't give me hasty again. There you go. I caught another Ziggs again. What's the name of this? I'll name you. Oh, with the P. And no. Let me just. I'll name you Pexy. Okay, go Pexy. Don't be a hasty nature, Pexy. Alright, much better. Modest nature. Alright. I think that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So, yeah, stay tuned for more Pokemon video. But in this game, Pokemon Ruby, I'm not going to make a walkthrough. I'm just going to play it for fun. So that's all, guys. I think I'm going to film it when I battle with Steven, so that I have a version battling Steven in Sapphire and Pokemon Ruby. Yeah. So I think that's all for today, guys. So stay tuned for more videos. So bye bye. I hate tasties.